I'm Glenn. This round, we're talking fly fishing, particularly fly tying, and a particular vise that yours truly has used over the years. I started out with some other fly tying vices, but I ended up coming down to this particular one. It's a rotary style vise. It's the Peak fly tying vise, and I've used it for most of the quick tie fly tying videos that yours truly likes to do. And right here, it's got a heavy base. Got a little arm here for holding line and whatnot. It does rotate here, and then it has different jaws, so if you need to go to a smaller size or larger size you can, but so far I've been good to go with this particular one. I think the smallest fly I've tied is about a size 20, 22, and then largest up to I think maybe 6/0, 8/0. Hey, it works.
Got a little crazy this night. Think I had a glass of wine. Maybe it was a bottle or one or two, but I do know I love you. Saw you standing all alone. Hard to call your mobile phone. Sexy in the tight black dress, I wore jeans, I was a mess, but I do know I love you. Got a little crazy last night. I recall a long slow kiss. Blue-eyed babe, a killer miss. I sure hope it was you. 'Cause I do